Hi everyone! Today we're learning about doubling and halving number patterns and how to create a simple math algorithm to find patterns quickly. By the end of this video, you'll know how to double numbers, halve numbers, and spot patterns like a math detective. Doubling means multiplying a number by 2. If I double 3, I get 6. If I double 6, I get 12. If I double 12, I get 24. Do you notice a pattern? The numbers grow quickly because we keep multiplying by 2. Our algorithm or step-by-step rule is simple. Step 1, take the number. Step 2, multiply by 2. Step 3, repeat. Halving is the opposite of doubling. It means dividing by 2. If I have 16, I get 8. Have 8, I get 4. Have 4, I get 2. The pattern gets smaller each time because we divide by 2. Let's try one together. Starting at 5, if we keep doubling, we get 10, 20, 40. What's happening each time? We multiply by 2. That's the pattern rule, and that rule is our algorithm. We can even use a calculator or spreadsheet to keep doubling or halving numbers and observe the pattern. Technology helps us test our algorithm quickly. Today we learned that doubling means multiply by 2, halving means divide by 2, and number patterns follow clear rules. When we write the rule as steps, that's called an algorithm. Now it's your turn. Try doubling 7 and halving 64. If this video helped you understand number patterns, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy math lessons.